naps, yeah?
And it's very nice. Okay. Mamita.
Aray mo, baby, ah.
I'm happy. Thank you so much.
Look at our baby is awake na. Are you awake? Good morning. Aray mo, baby, ah. Aray mo, baby. Good morning. She's smiling to the guys. Morning, guys. You want to note this one?
Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Dzień dobry. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Good morning from Jade Sophia. Our nocturnal baby is trying to get some sleep this morning. Yes? Look at this cute little bean. Look, you were awake at 2 in the morning and again at 3 in the morning. The call center is trying to sleep again, huh? Look. She just had her milk and Scarlett and I went to have breakfast first so that I can hold her because she would cry. We have to let her go into a deep sleep first before we put her down, or else she would just cry. She wants the warmth of the body of Tita or Mama. So now sis is having breakfast. I cooked some scrambled eggs and I cut some dragon fruit and mango, and we still have leftover fish from yesterday, and then mom gave us pork soup with some veggies. So that's our breakfast. Sophia had a breast milk. Cute mo. Look at our cute baby, guys. She's trying to sleep. Her papa is working in Nana's house, right? Alright, I'm gonna give you guys an update today about mom's house because they have finally started the tiles, the installation of the tiles. So we're gonna go there and take a look how much they've accomplished yesterday. I think they're not working on the tiles today because my uncle is injured, unfortunately. So I think he's taking a rest, and Atan and the other guy is working on something else outside of mommy's house. Today, I am a nanny tita. I'm a nanny tita. Okay, mamita. We're gonna put her down. I think she's on a deep sleep now. Look. Cute mo na. Uy. Wala lagi nag-cry-cry. Manap yang? Wah. Terus nggak putus deh.
Nakita ka tiktok ko.
I am currently editing the vlog for tonight, and I'm holding this little bean in front of me because she's awake. Finally, she is awake during the day. So, are you gonna be changing your routine now? You will not be a call center anymore, Fiang. Huh? Look, she's awake, guys. Wow, we just bathed Sophia, by the way, and she did not cry. Very good. Very good, mana amo, Fiang. Fiang, are you so cute? Where's your neck, Fiang? Where's your neck? I'm editing the vlog, and I'm halfway there. Sis is making lunch, and then Sophia, when you put her in the little bed, she'd cry when she's awake. Munu. Oh? Look, you're kicking. You're kicking Tita. Are you okay, Fiang? What is happening in there? Little cute. My gosh, this little woman is so adorable. You want me to sing for you so you can sleep. Now we want her to sleep. So we can work, so Tita can work, and Mama can rest and relax, and Ate Scarlett can play. She always wants her feet to be like this, oh? Yes, Ate Scarlett? Huh? Okay. Okay, Fiang. Look, she's listening. Every time I talk, she's listening. Curious little eyes. Today, I'm finally gonna give you guys an update for Mom's house. I know that it has been a while that we did not check the house because of Sis labor and giving birth to Sophia. Everybody got busy. I was really busy. You guys know how busy I was. I feel like I'm the one that actually gave birth, and I was a driver. I was taking care of Scarlett. I went there and here and processing everything. So here we are. We're gonna take you guys inside mom's house. So you guys know the rendering outside has been done. Now we're gonna go inside and take a look. Finally, they have started installing the tiles. You know what? This was the original plan, as you guys know, that I wanted to put tiles in mom's house because she would always just roam around here on the concrete floor barefoot, and I don't feel good watching her doing that. So the original plan has been realized finally. It's been done. So here we are. Let's go inside. So as what you guys can see, ta-da! Look at this. This is so good. So this is the tiles that mom has chose. I can't recall when did we go to Home Builders. I think that was in the month of April or March. I think it was April. But this is the tiles that she chose. Actually, it is a little bit similar to the current tile she has in her bedroom, though that one is a bit of a pale, rusty, pinkish kind of tiles, but that has been discontinued. They don't sell it anymore. I think they change their styles every 1 to 2 years, and yeah, here we are. Look at this. This is the new tiles. It actually looks so good. It is like a wooden color. I think it suits well here in the countryside. It's shiny and it's very nice, I would say. Okay, let's count how many tiles were they able to install. So my uncle and one helper, they're both working on this yesterday. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we have a total of 25 tiles that they were able to install. I actually had to let my uncle watch how did Robbie install the tiles in the house yesterday, because I got them this tile clips. Here it is. This one, guys. This is the tile leveling thing, and then it has the tile clips as well. And then my uncle is not used to using this kind of materials. He was like so confused how to use it. I showed him the video when Robbie was doing the tiles at home, and he then realized how to use it. He learned from Robbie on how to use the tiles, so that was very good, and he was so surprised that it actually works. He doesn't need to use like a nylon or something to straighten the tiles. He was just using the tile clips and the tile leveling, and it's very level. So it's very good. He was so surprised about it, and I think he liked it because they were able to install like 25 tiles in one day. That's really surprising. So we actually purchased a total of, I think, 60 tiles. So the tiles are right here, guys. These are the tiles left. So we have here 25, so they have to like install more, 35 more, 35 tiles more. There's gonna be cutting since, of course, the edges especially, they just started here in the middle. I think that's the best way to start installing tiles. You should start it in the middle so you can install, like, you don't need to cut first. So they started here in the middle, and it looks so good. See, we can now walk around here barefoot, and I super love how it looks. It's really nice, by the way. I'm gonna work on this tomorrow. I feel like tomorrow he should be done with this, and I think he is not expecting how fast he can install the tiles, because if I can recall, when my uncle was working on my sister's house, I think they were only able like to install 4 to 5 tiles in one day. But here, look, they were able to install 25. That is absolutely remarkable and very productive. So I guess by tomorrow, well, let's see, because they will have to do a lot of cutting, especially with the edges right here. But yeah, so far it's looking so good. Right, see, now that there's tiles here in mom's house, we can now sit on the floor. Before, we could not even do it because it's just plain concrete and there's dust everywhere. Actually, guys, please pardon all of the chaos that you guys can see in the background. And no, it's very messy. And this is how it is. Mom could not, clean everything because it's still not yet done. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done. Actually, one of the reason why I was also not able to give you guys an update about mom's house is because she decided to also renovate her bathroom. So they were working on it, I would say, for a week or so because she put new tiles on the wall and they widen it and it's now a bit bigger. I was waiting until that will be finished, and up until now it's still not yet done because she wants to put new tiles on the floor in her bathroom. So I think tomorrow we're gonna get the tiles for her bathroom. She just needs like how many? 30 tiles. 30 by 30, right? So yeah, my uncle will do that as well. Here it is, the new tiles of mom. Are you happy for your new tiles?
Yes, I'm happy. Thank you so much.
Finally, see, it looks good. Like, it feels good to get inside your house when there's tiles, when there's floor. It looks more tidy when the tiles is there, right?
Yes.
See? Look at this. We're just sitting down, guys, on the floor. Ta-da! Also, she got a marine plywood because she wants to put doors at the back of us, underneath the countertop, right? Yes, the cabinet.
Yes, the cabinet.
Actually, the rendering has been all finished finally, especially in the bedroom, so that's really good. Also, my uncle was able to install the air condition that I gave mom, which was my old air condition. Did you use it already?
No.
Why did you not use it?
Wala pa'y kuan.
Ceiling?
Ceiling.
So she cannot use it yet because there's no ceiling. There's like a really big gap between the roof and the wall. So that's your next project.
Yes.
That's her next project because I'm done.